on the bell. Once the bell is clicked, you will get all notifications. Thank you. Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a shrimp appetizer, and I'm going to make shrimp very tasty and very delicious. It's going to be creamy shrimp. These are the shrimps I'm going to use. These are raw, these have a tail on, and these are frozen. Put it inside the cold water. This is how the shrimp looks now. I have a 1 pound shrimp. These are clean shrimp, no shell, devein and tail on. The spices I'm going to use: ginger, garlic, cumin powder, half teaspoon each, salt, black pepper, Kashmiri mirt, parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon each. This is basically red chili powder. Enhances the color. It's not that hot, so you can adjust chili according to your taste. To make it nice and creamy, I'm going to use Philadelphia original cream cheese. Let's get started. Get a mixing bowl, and I'll bring all the dry spices: black pepper, parsley flake, Kashmiri mirt, cumin powder, salt, garlic powder, ginger powder, and we're going to combine it. This is looking good. I'll bring cream cheese. 3 tablespoons cream cheese. We're going to mix it well. Make sure that your cream cheese is at room temperature. Like I just took it out of the fridge. And it's a little solid, but as soon as we're going to mix it, it's going to get nice, smooth. So once all the spices are nicely combined, that's going to be our marination. So this is how it looks. And now I'm going to bring the shrimp. Mix them well. All the shrimps are nicely coated with the cream cheese, and this is how it looks. You can marinate for longer period of time, that's better, but I'm going to do it only for 20 minutes. The shrimp has been marinated for 20 minutes on countertop. I'm going to mix it one more time. This is looking good. This is our air fryer. I'm going to open it, and this is the basket. Each shrimp, and I will lay out just like this. All the shrimps are laid out like this. So I'm going to place in the air fryer. I'll close it. And we're going to start it. And we're going to keep the temperature at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to keep it for 10 minutes. It will start after 5 minutes. I'm going to open it. And we're going to check the shrimps. It's exactly 5 minutes. I'm going to open it. And I'm going to check. This is how they look. I don't think I need to move them. They're looking good. If we take a look, they're not sticking to each other. They are not sticking at the bottom. They're looking fine. And now I will put it back again for another 5 minutes. It will start at the same time where we left it off. So 5 more minutes. 1 minute to go. It's already completed, 10 minutes. Now we're going to wait for the final beep before we open it. So that's the final beep. And I'm going to open it. Wow, they're looking so good. So with the help of spatula, I'm going to move them around. Just like this. They're looking so good. So to make it more crunchy, I'm going to put it 5 more minutes. So I'll place it back into the air fryer. Start it, and we're going to keep the same temperature, and we're going to keep it only 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it will be done to our perfection. So it's already started. We'll come back after 5 minutes. 1 more minute to go. It's all done. Altogether 15 minutes of cooking. And now we're going to wait for the final beep. That's the final beep. And I'll take it out. Wow, look at these. Each one of them, they are nicely done, nice and crunchy. This is oilless, oil-free cooking. And I will dish out and I'll share with you. Creamy shrimp in air fryer, oilless, oil-free cooking. These are super delicious and super yum. And this is one of the best appetizer. If you're a seafood lover, you will like it. The kids will love it. Please try it. And like always, if you like this recipe, please comment below and let me know how it turned out for you. And like always, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.